All right, welcome back. I'm gonna make a short little video again. Another one just straight to the point. We are replacing a knock sensor on NB Miata. Tools you're gonna need: 24 mil deep well. You don't need the big old wrench. You just need a deep well, 24 mil. 5/16 wrench, flathead, some needle nose pliers. You are going to have a different intake manifold, but regardless, it is right down here in the middle. You can kind of see it down there. The best way to get to it is through the wheel well. You can see it right there. Right below it, there is another hole. I've already took it out. That is your oil pressure sensor. I don't have an oil pressure sensor. I don't know if you can see that copper line over here. I got a mechanical gauge inside. But that is the 24 mil deep well socket. We'll get that off. The plug is right here. You just pull those off. There's no button. 24 mil socket, take it off. And once you've took that off of there, you can snake this giant wrench up in there and get it on that, and you can break it off. You may have to flip the wrench, you know, because there's not a whole lot of room in here, but you can get it off through a wheel well. It's the easiest place. Then if you come up, take your intake off, there are 3 plugs here. You know, 1, 2, number 3. Number 3 is that sensor. These are stuck on through holes, so that backside little clip there, you take your needle nose pliers and squeeze in on both of those back here, and it should just pop right out. Push the backside, I was pushing the wrong side. Unplug it. Then this you'll have to jerk all the way back down through. It's real hard to tell. It runs down through here over the top of the alternator. Make sure you run it back the same way. Also, anytime you replace sensors and whatnot, make sure that where they're laying is nowhere near moving parts or belts or the crank sensor on these are bad about that. If you don't get it in there right, it'll rub on the serpentine belt and then cut the wire in half. It's not good, but get her crank down in there, make sure wire doesn't rub, and you're good to go. So if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.